Hello friends, this is Dr. Vandana Vijay, and in today's video we will learn how we can run the SQL statements or commands on Oracle server. So before running the commands, let us take a brief introduction of SQL. SQL full form is structured query language that is used for making the queries in relational database management packages such as SQL Server, Ingress, Oracle, and many more. It was first commercially implemented by the Oracle Corporation in the year 1979. The main characteristics of SQL are as follows. It is oriented around relational database. The commands can operate on several group of tables as a single object. SQL allow use of temporary tables. It is well suited to a client-server environment where DBMS resides on a server and the services the clients request. It also allow one to specify the constraints. Next, type of SQL. SQL has two variations. One is the interactive and second is the embedded. In the interactive SQL, basically, it is used to operate directly on a database to produce the output for desired purpose. And in embedded, it mainly consists of SQL commands that put inside the programs which are written in other high-level languages such as COBOL, Pascal, C, or C++. In this video, we are going to use interactive SQL interface. Now, to run the commands on SQL on the Oracle database, the first requirement is we have to connect with the Oracle database with the help of a web browser. So on this slide, we can see multiple web browsers are available. Among that, I am choosing Google Chrome to connect with my Oracle database. So we have to click on the Google Chrome browser. As we click, the browser will open and we'll get an address bar. On the address bar, we have to mention the IP address of our Oracle server. In my case, the IP address is 192.168.10.11 slash ISQL plus. As we are going to type the IP address, the next step is to just press the enter button so that we can connect with the Oracle server. So as we press the enter button, now we have connected with the Oracle. Now the Oracle interface have been appeared. They are asking for the username and password. In my case, the username is Scott and the password is Tiger. So after typing the username and password, we have to click on the login button so that we can connect. As we press the login button, the new interface will be open, that is Oracle interface, and here at the bottom we can see connected text. It means we have now connected with the Oracle database. Now this rectangular box interface, in this we can write all the SQL commands that we want to run. So suppose we are creating a table. So next we are writing the statements. I have written the statement to create a table named as employed. So that its syntax will be create table employee underscore 2, which is the name of my table, along with four important attributes. I have taken employee code as an attribute with number data type and I have mentioned it as the primary key. Second is the employee name with data type varchar2. Third is the designation, which data type character, and fourth is the basic salary attribute with data type number. After writing the code, we have to execute. So here we are having an execute button. As we are going to press the execute button, that particular query will going to run, and we can see at the bottom table created message. It means the table have been created. Now to view our table, again we have to type a new command of SQL. So for this we have to first clean this enter statement box. So for cleaning or for writing the new statement, we have to press the button clear screen. As we are going to press this button, the box will be cleared and now we are ready to type new command. So now we are typing describe employee underscore true, means we are giving the name of the table along with the describe command. As we are going to execute this command with the help of execute button, the table will be created in the database and now it is showing the format, the schema or the structure of our table. The table consists of four attributes that we have defined in the syntax, and these are the data types. And here we are seeing not null because the employee code we have mentioned as the primary key. So whenever you're going to insert the record in that particular table, we have to specify the employee code. Now we have seen the output on the work area. Here you can see output and work area. If we want our output on some file or some window, then we can press this arrow button and a pop-up window will be appear, and we can choose the file or window so that the output will transfer to that particular file or window. Here on the right hand side, we are seeing a choose file button. With the help of this button, we can directly choose any file that we have already created, and we can load those statements on the enter statement box. Suppose we don't want to write the statement previously we have written in some file, then with the help of choose file, we can select those particular file and we can include those particular statements on the enter statement box. See, so now again to execute them, we have to click the button execute. In this way, we can create the SQL statements on the enter statement box, and with the help of execute button, we can run them. I hope this video will help you to run your SQL commands. Thank you. Bye-bye.